A baby gecko was exploring the new foliage. He was intrigued by this massive tree that appeared out of nowhere, which was totally infested by ants. But he didn't care. What he loved was that the space was now full of tasty flying insects everywhere. With excitement and anticipation, his tail twitched as he prepared to pounce. Oh, whatever it was he was stalking got away. Regardless, this lizard was happy with the change in scenery and knew his chances of survival were much greater now, which was more than I could say for other lizards in our rainforest. I had to get to the bottom of the sudden disappearance of Snip.